Hi, this is Dr. Steve Clothier again. Just wanted to get a message out to you here from the office. One thing I've been thinking about with the recent healthcare situation in our country and in our community here is it's interesting that when we have these big, events come up, such as a pandemic or other large healthcare concerns, typically the healthcare model that's existing, at least in the medical community, is one of a reactive or a disease-related model, which is that you have a condition or a disease first, and then you treat it once it arrives. What's interesting is that when we have something like a pandemic, what does everybody start to talk about? They talk about prevention, right? All of a sudden, prevention becomes the hot button issue. How do we prevent this? What do we do preventatively? And my thought about that is, if that's the case, why aren't we thinking preventatively all the time? And so at Alternative Health Center, which is our practice here in the Woodlands, preventative healthcare has been how we have operated from the beginning, preventative and holistically oriented. And I want you to know during this time that we're open, and we are doing lots of functional lab testing and blood work and lab tests to really be able to ascertain where people's immune systems and their immunity health is. We have abilities to run vitamin D levels, to test zinc levels, vitamin C, B vitamin levels. We have micronutrient testing, which is a way to test your mineral balance and other enzymes and vitamins that are related to the immune system. So we just have a lot of tools to assess that. And I know that's a big question for everybody right now is, where does my immune system stand? How healthy am I going forward? And I think it's a great thing that people are asking these questions. We are here to help in a preventative way, to really be able to assess your immune system with some kind of testing, and then to be able to figure out what to do to support that immune system naturally. Now, in my office, I saw a statistic recently that nutritional sales have gone through the roof as people are trying to be preventative. But my belief about nutritional and herbal and homeopathic supplements and remedies is that, at least for the herbal and the nutritional remedies, that they should be whole food and they should be organically sourced where possible. I don't believe that organic supplements and synthetic supplements that are sold from Walgreens or Walmart or some of these stores that are made in the lab, they're not the same thing. Your body recognizes things in the form of food. It does not recognize things that are in the same way in a synthetic form. And so I think that's a big difference to note. And our office uses almost exclusively whole food, organically sourced supplements. So when you're looking to start supporting your immune system, we're here to make recommendations of supplements and herbals that are of a much higher quality and also that will actually do what they say they are going to do as far as supporting your immune system. So I'll be doing a video in the next couple of days on the difference between whole food nutrition and synthetic and fractionated nutrition. So I'll just leave it at that for now, but be watching in a few days for a video that talks about that. So these test results, by the way, we can, what's nice about where we are now is we can go over those. We can have those lab test result visits either virtually through a Zoom type of a meeting, or we can do those in the office. So we have both those options available to you. If you're feeling like you want to do that more virtually, we have the ability to do that. So we can get the lab testing done remotely at a lab or a draw area, and then we can do the visit virtually if necessary. So anyway, just wanted you to start thinking about the idea of preventative care and what you can do now to strengthen your immune system, because this is something that's on everybody's mind. And like I said, be watching in the next couple of days. I'll be going over the difference between whole food nutrition and synthetic nutrition. There's quite a big difference, and I think it's important for you to know that. So have a great day, stay healthy. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.